Hi, welcome to the Customized Folder Edit Assignments tutorial. To add or remove users from a specific customized folder, navigate to the Customized category and click into the specific folder. In the top right corner, click on Edit Assignments. Choose if to assign by Smart Group or by users. Select the groups or users you wish to assign to and click Next. Choose your publication settings, confirm, and you're good to go. Thank you very much for joining me. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach out at any time.